today we're meeting up with MYKJAH to show you guys his car. Probably get some POV GoPro shots in his car. Definitely a photo shoot. Sunset, the sun is setting now, and then some of his parts just came in.
Super stoked. So definitely gonna be a vlog once everything comes in.
It's gonna be really hard to not tell you guys, but we're gonna try.
We're gonna keep it a secret for now.
So stay tuned. I hope you guys like it. What's up, guys? Meet MYKJAH.
That's it.
So Micah, what kind of car did you have before you bought your new one?
I had a black 2015 X-Runner. I missed that fuck up.
And then what'd you do to it?
I did 12 performance drop kit with 3-inch blocks in the rear, exhaust, quarter intake, MAF cowl, and that's about it.
Straight pipe.
Straight pipe gang.
So remind us again why you decided to get a new car.
I was just bored already. I felt like I did everything to it that I could, except for supercharge it. That was like the next thing I planned to do, and the interior, but just changed my mind already.
So overall, are you stoked with the outcome of your new come up?
Yeah, I'm pretty stoked. It's a bigger project.
You ready to reveal your car?
Yo. windshield. Son of a bitch. This place is not lit. I forgot I'm on light. So what's up? Gentry? Okay.
It flew inside my car.
Oh no, don't record. Until we start getting closer to the end.
Yeah. Can't even see my truck.
Bro, since we stuck in traffic, my car got hit. Oh, fuck, that's hot.
Kill him! God!
Look on D-Rose. 100 on my wrist. Look on 80 on my wrist. D-Rose. D-Rose. Hey. Hey.
Alright guys, that was it for today. Thanks for hanging out with us. Hope you guys really liked the video. Trying to get more creative with the angles and stuff for the video shoots. First time, but I never went to school for this kind of stuff. Just fucking play around with it. But we'll see. Getting better as I go, I think. Drop a couple comments down below what you think about Micah's new car. And if you don't know what his truck looked like before, go follow his Instagram, MYKJAH, and then get some sneak peeks of that bad boy. We all really missed that thing, but the crew was all ex-runners and he wanted a bigger, better project. And to be honest, bro, fuck, that Subi is major. From the backfires to the small flames out the exhaust, and he only has an exhaust mod. Like, that's all that's on the car. So considering that's straight stock from the dealer, that thing is mental. So we'll probably be seeing him out on more of the cruises more often. And man, we really want to get some Subis too, but cannot be an all Subi car gang, you know what I mean? We gotta have all kind of variety so you guys like it. Also in the comments below, let me know a couple other ideas of what you think or how you think I should have handled the car review. I don't know, maybe we can go into a full in-depth review of it later on when he adds more stuff. And hope you guys like the POV clips from his car, because it was strapped on his head and it was the first time he took it over 100 in Mexico. So gotta take another trip to Mexico one of these days. I'm sick and tired of losing to him, but guess that means I need more parts. Now I don't know if that means he's too fast or I'm too slow, but it's probably a combo of both. And I also had a lot of rice before we went on that Mexico run, so if that exhaust is pretty loud, it's because of the rice. Yeah, anyways, thanks for sticking around, thanks for following us, thanks for supporting us. Well, again, we got Micah's parts coming in. Pretty sure we're gonna do a vlog for that next week, so stay tuned guys. Pretty stoked. Aloha.